Morning, Slovakia. We are in Dedinky by Dedinky Lake. Little cute Dedinky, little Dedinky town. And yeah, it's a great little spot by this lake. It's about 6 AM. We've woken up. It's really misty outside. We're trying to get up for sunrise every day now. We are going to get up for sunrise every day. It's getting cold in the mornings now and in the evenings, but it's nice and fresh out there and quite atmospheric over the lake. So we're going to go and have a look a bit closer so we can actually see the lake through the mist. And then we'll come back and have a nice hot coffee. Oh look, we've got movement. One of the hot water bottles has just moved.
Ooh, it's alive. Charlie, what are we doing up at this time?
Eh? Oop.
Here he is. Charlie's always up for going out.
He's always up for going out.
Hey.
Dizzy's still just under the covers, keeping the bed warm. Look at that little tail going. So as you can see out, it's very misty. You can't even see the lake, which is in that direction. That's where we stayed, just behind us. This little tiny little cute town, very, very tranquilo.
It's just like a little mini Hallstatt in Austria. So the lake's not quite as big, the mountains aren't quite as big. But it's got a cute little church and just a little dinky little town village.
Vinny's parked there outside the little pizzeria that we went for a extremely cheap beer last night. It's like €1 a pint in there. And they've got Wi-Fi, so it's quite handy that we've been using the Wi-Fi. We've been in there a couple of times. We have pizza and we've had a couple of beers. Literally like an hour and a half we've waited, and then she apologised for the shape of the pizza. The base looks good, but it was basically like the plain kind of pizza bread, and we decided to just add some mushrooms and some olive.
It is really nice though, but
I don't know, like after an hour and a half you'd think you'd get fresh mushrooms. Like you could go and pick your own mushrooms.
it's a little bit funny because we thought we'd just come out for a nice cheap beer and a little nibble. Hans is parked over there, so we could have actually gone and made our own pizza.
So we don't feel like we're just being cheeky buggers and parking right outside and using their Wi-Fi for nothing. We have given some custom. And yeah, we're going to go and have a look at the lake, go to the loos before we head back for breakfast.
Really cool here as well. You've got all these statues made out of the wood from the local forests. You're over by the pizzeria and they're just dotted around, quite cool though.
Yeah, there's loads of them, isn't there?
Check this out.
It's a little dude sat on a log smoking his pipe.
Yeah, check out this funky music. A little bit cheesy. It's just blasting out from some speakers on the lamppost over there. But you can hear it all the way across the lake.
It's just for us. They're so happy of visitors in this little tiny dead town.
So sometimes we take the time to research things and other times we don't. We basically parked down by the lake and I saw a sign saying up this way for like an hour's walk, up to maybe 1,000 metres. That's all we know.
You can see the path ahead, it's getting pretty steep. We're not really wearing suitable footwear, but it is a lovely walk with the tree canopy. So we'll see, hopefully it's gonna have a nice view. Now we've got a choice and we ain't got a clue. We're gonna go at the steepest one. Steepest one means better views, right? Come on boys, this way!
Caught in the tree.
Look at that.
And you can see that there.
That is a chairlift that looks like it's crashed into the tree.
It's the last time it was running.
Yeah.
Check it out though.
Look how retro it is. It's pretty cool.
Going through this gorge. Oh. Ready? I'm gonna let him go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We've just got to the hotel in a big clearing. We're going to go and check that out, but I'm going to see if there's another walk this way, because we want a viewpoint after walking this far.
We go that way?
I don't know, maybe you need to Google Translate it.
What? Stop?
No. The bloody Slovakian underneath.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
You like the goats, Charlie?
Charlie's seen goats before, but this is the first time he's seen a bunny rabbit. Charlie loves animals. Dizzy, on the other hand,
Not so keen on bunny rabbits, but are as big as him, may I add. So we're just kind of standing a few metres back, because as you can see, I think he's scared of bunny rabbits.
So yeah, there's a weird hotel in the middle of nowhere with some rabbits and goats, which Charlie loves playing with. And then the other walk decided not to do. It's getting a bit later, so we're just heading back down to Vinny and that lovely lake. No playing.
No.
Charlie,
Not playing here.
no playing on the cliffs.
Charlie,
Charlie,
careful, careful. Go on. Yeah, you go that way, it's safer.
Charlie, Dizzy's on his lead. It's not fair.
Calm down.
So yeah, we woke up at first light, beautiful misty view over the lake. Mist cleared, it was dead still. We left it a little bit too long and it's gone a tiny bit choppy, but we've got the kayak out, pumped it up, so we're going kayaking.
Today it's a beautiful blue sky day, so we're going to go out for an hour. The boys are staying in the van though, just because, well, the main reason is we've left the laptops and stuff and it's uploading a video for the channel. And
then the second main reason,
there's loads of ducks, and Charlie just gets a bit sort of shaky and panicky and when he sees ducks, so it's kind of quite hard really. So we thought we'll just go out for an hour. So there's guard in the van. Let's go and have a look. Charlie, where's your papas? Oh, there he is.
bit chilly, but refreshing. It goes quite deep.
The sun's gone down. Nick's being very brave and having a little swim in the lake.
It's all right on the...
Oh, the fishes are getting cranky.
So refreshing though.
Shh, Dizzy, it's not real. No. That's where we're staying tonight. This town is just absolutely dead. Good place for fishing. What do you reckon, boys? We'll go back and see Papa's before the bears come and get us. Yeah, so just come for this little sort of evening stroll with the dogs, just to check out what's around, because we've just parked just by the lake the other side. And it's so weird, like there's a town here, but it's just like a ghost town. We haven't seen any people. And it's kind of spooky because you do get bears in this area because there's a sign up just like giving you some information about them. So I just get a little bit freaked out when I hear like twigs or whatever in the woods. It's probably just birds. But yeah, it's really weird. It's like there's just no one here except for the train that just went past right in front of us that goes right across the lake. Funny little hut up there behind me. You probably can't see that because it's dark. And there's these little huts here in the wood. In the woods. So it's all a bit eerie, really. I mean, it'd be fabulous to see a bear, but I'll probably absolutely shit my pants if I do.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.